Good medical morning, this is Watson, and today we're going to talk about what's wrong with this person's neck. Watch a few examples, and then I will tell you all about it. While you watch, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. The condition is called Kussmaul sign. Kussmaul sign is a paradoxical rise in jugular venous pressure, or JVP, on inspiration, or a failure in the appropriate fall of the JVP with inspiration. It can be seen in some forms of heart disease and is usually indicative of limited right ventricular filling due to right heart dysfunction. This example is of a 55-year-old woman with a history of Hodgkin's lymphoma, treated with mantle field radiation. So here, Kussmaul's sign is observed as distension of the jugular veins and elevation of jugular venous pressure during inspiration. Interesting. Kussmaul's sign is named after the German doctor who first described it, and several serious conditions can be associated with it. I'll throw a list up on screen.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm here to tell you about Rest More. I take it every single night before bed, and it helps me sleep like a baby. I take 2 capsules with a glass of water about 30 minutes before bed, and I am able to sleep all night long. You can pick this up on Amazon. You can get a 30-day or 60-day supply. I personally buy the 60-day because it lasts a little bit longer and it's cheaper. I wake up feeling fully refreshed, and I think you all should try it.
Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.